Alright, so we're making another dog fence. So we got about 26 holes to dig with this auger. 20 bags of concrete, kinds of good posts and lumber. It's gonna be a nice evening, digging holes, mixing concrete. So hope you enjoy the video. Well, that's one down. 25 to go. 26? I don't know. Alright, just got to the halfway point with the digging of the holes for the posts. So a little less than half to go. I'm pretty tuckered. My arms are like jello. I'm about out of gas. So there's that working for you. But looking pretty good, you know. Some of these holes are pretty easy, digging through in a matter of 30 seconds to a minute, and some you definitely feel the clay when you hit it, and you kind of got to muscle through it, and they'll take upwards to maybe 5 to 10 minutes to get where you need to go. Not going as deep as I wanted to on every hole, just because it's taking forever. But on my corners and the holes by the gates, going as deep as we can. So yeah, we get a drink of water and finish them up. Jello. It's me again. I've been wondering when I'm gonna be done with this dog fence. You can tell I'm by myself. I'm tired because I'm getting loopy. I started saying weird stuff like that. Weird dad jokes that I don't appreciate. But we're gonna stay hydrated and we're gonna keep going. Alright, bye. Alright, just finished the last of the hole digging. Take the auger back now. I'm beat. I'm gonna try to press on and make some concrete, set some of these posts tonight. We will see how it goes. I think we just missed our trenched in power in between these two holes right here. It goes kind of where the patchy grass is, goes up the hill in between these two trees. Then it leads to our transformer over there. So it is marked with the red tape in the ditch. So theoretically I should have saw that before I punctured into the conduit. The conduit is 3 feet into the ground though, so I think we're okay. Even if I was drilling right on top of one, I don't think I was going 3 feet. But yeah, I didn't really think about it after the fact. You know what they say, call before you dig? Yeah, I'm good. While I was waiting for the auger to get here, I went ahead and tried to stay busy. Got all the tools ready, go ahead and threw these gates together and try to brace them as best that I know how to prevent sagging. So, I mean, we'll see. Throw some pretty heavy duty hinges on, put the fence on, and they should lock in pretty good. Alright, just to get you caught up, we are working by floodlight. Sun's going down a little faster. So we're gonna keep working. Right now it's 9:30. We're gonna keep plugging away, try to get a lot of these set. We have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 10 posts set. 10 out of 26. So not too bad. Maybe we try to get pushed to get halfway tonight. The posts are easy. It's the mixing of the concrete that is, boy, after doing all the auger work, I'm about done. So yep, that's the update. We'll go until I can't go no more or something. Dogs barking, coyotes howling. The cows are going crazy. The pasture's next to us. I hear those cows. One of our cats is going crazy chasing all these moths, attracted by these lights. You don't hear that? Keep thinking of Silence of the Lambs, but Silence of the Cows. Or with these camera shots like Blair Witch Project. But anyways, I think I'm about done. I gotta maybe halfway there, maybe a little over halfway. But I am spent. Drilling the holes, mixing concrete, setting post. Hopefully get on this first thing in the morning. But yeah, I think I'm done. Good morning. We're back at it. Sun's coming up. Roosters are crowing. It's not that early. It's like 8 o'clock. I slept in. Stayed up late and I slept in. But we're gonna see if we can finish these poles before I go to a soccer game. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 8. We have 9 more posts to set. So I think we can do it. Feels good. It's gonna start heating up when that sun gets up. So we'll see what we can do. All right, we got all the posts in. Next is I'm gonna put some fence up. I've never done this before, so see how bad it's gonna be. All right, here we go. You ready? Middle. Yep. Okay, top. Press it against the fence too hard. There you go. Good job. Just like this one. It's kind of hanging out there. So whenever you go to do it, just give a nice little shove. See like how buries it. All right, so this is the fence. We added a board at the bottom and board at the top. Secured the wire fence. We have this little, we built this track that kind of goes into the shed so that one day we can add a doggy door so they can get inside when it rains or when it's too cold. Did a little fun dog lean-to with some hay so they can stay out of the rain until they have access to the shed. But yeah, it turned out really great. You know, we had to build this because the underground fence didn't quite work out for us. So we had to revert to this, but so far it looks really good. It's working. At first, before we had the top board up, our big dog was actually making his way over the fence. I never got to see it. I'm sure it was a sight to see, but ever since we put that top board up, it's been good. So yeah, we actually left them in the fence while we went on vacation. So they were in this fence for a good 4 or 5 solid days without anybody getting out or any problems. We had some people drop by and check on them, but it did its purpose.